Hi kids, welcome to Fun with Learning. Today, we're going to learn the names of 50 vegetables in English. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with some common vegetables. Potato, 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 tomato, 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 brinjal, 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 pumpkin, pumpkin, bottle gourd, bottle gourd, bottle gourd, ridge gourd, ridge gourd, snake gourd, snake gourd, snake gourd, bitter gourd, bitter gourd, bitter gourd, cauliflower, 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 cabbage, 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 carrot, 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 radish, 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 onion, 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 garlic, 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 ginger, 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 green chili, green chili, green chili, cucumber, cucumber, cucumber,